Okay, this says Know Your Fans, an initiative on behalf of Samaira and Divya. And okay, so I guess there is a lot of stuff in here which will. What is this? Oh, okay. Missing you a lot. Oh, somebody's missing me. You are dearly thought of and missed from the bottom of the heart. Miss you, Divya, Samaira, and all your fans. Miss you on screen badly. Please come back soon. Yeah, I kind of miss acting too, guys. But what do? I really need to get something that I enjoy doing and I want to do. So, of course, unless I reach this point where I'm just tired and I have nothing else to do, and then I'll do anything. But I really hope I get something good soon and something that you guys will love and you guys will enjoy, because I don't want to disappoint you guys and I don't want you to feel like, why is she doing this? Oh, it's a pop-up card. I actually love you much, much more than words can say. Oh, so sweet. Love fist from Hyderabad. Okay, dear Sanaya, please, we request you to please go through our letter and the messages sent to you by Sanayaholics across different countries. To know your fans, please go through there first, then the goodies sent to you, our princess. Hope you like all that you read and see in it. Okay, so I will read it. I just cannot read it right now. So, oh, it's from all of y'all, from everywhere. There are people from Indonesia, from Kerala, from Ahmedabad, Pakistan, oh, Turkey. Oh, I want to see Turkey. I will read this, guys, and I will get to know you all. But my memory is so bad, I will forget them. So I'm sorry for that. But I will read it. Thank you. Okay, this is, I guess, just more stuff about you guys, which I will read. These are a few questions from the fans. You are not on any social networking site. Your die-hard Sanayaholics know it, but you can please clear it for your new fans. The imposters on Twitter create confusion. Yes, guys, I'm going to say this again, that I am not on any social networking site. So please stop following any Sanaya. I'm not on Insta, I'm not on Twitter, I'm not on Facebook. I'm not anywhere. Like, I'm nowhere. People can't find me. It's hard to find me. Yeah, I'm at home doing jhadu pocha, hanging clothes. Yeah, pretty much. How do you prepare yourself for your emotional scenes, as you are happy-go-lucky type of person, always cheerful, and the way you enact them is outstanding. Those scenes get imprinted in our minds, in the minds of the audiences. I don't really prepare myself. I remember during Is Pyar Ko Kya Naam Do, Gul used to shout at me a little, and she used to be like, "You're always laughing and joking. That's why you can't do the crying scenes properly, and stop laughing and sit seriously." But I don't believe in that. It's just like 5 minutes before the scene. I think when I read the scene, I get so into the scene even when I'm reading it. Like when I'm actually reading the scene, I get tears in my eyes. And I'm emotional in a weird way. I cry really fast, so it's not that hard for me. Ask Mohit, I'm crying in every movie that we watch. And he's like, okay. Now he's just used to it. Kashmira Irani is not your sister, that's right. This, again, your fans are aware of, but unfortunately, your biographical details on Google Wiki mislead the new fans, and we have to clarify it. But if you say it'll be better, yes, guys, Kashmira Irani, I know her. She's a very sweet girl, but she is not my sister. And because we share the same surname doesn't mean. And Baman Irani is not my father, just a heads up. Do you know that you have fans from more than 150 countries of the world? What? No, I didn't know that. And belonging to different age groups. If not, then please see. Last one, you are not a techno geek. Reason. It's not like I'm not a techno geek. It's just that I like my life the way it is, and I don't want everybody to know what I'm doing. And I know you guys love me and you all want to know what's up with me and what I'm doing, but I just feel like my work should speak for me. You know, like I want to do shows which connect with you all and things that connect with you all, and I'm just very private. Like, ask Mohit. I just don't like, even with friends and like just acquaintances. I don't just hang out. I don't go to parties. I don't do all of that.
We can meet you all privately.
Yeah. So I'm just that kind of a person. Maybe someday I'll change. Maybe someday I'll join a social networking site, but not right now. I don't know why. But I get to speak to you guys and meet you all like this through delayed interviews. So yeah, thank you. I hope I've answered all your questions. So I've got another door. इसकी आंखें थोड़ी. Oh, she does have eyes. Look. Can you see her eyes?
Yeah.
But she doesn't have a nose and a mouth, which I will make Mohit draw because she just looks incomplete without that. But how cute is she? Oh, sorry. How cute is she? Look at her. Oh, I really like the hat. And oh, it's so soft. And she has better hair than me. The doll has better hair than me. Yeah, that's right. Okay, how cute. How cute is this? Oh, and she has a little bag. Oh, sorry. Okay, thank you. And I have got something. Oh, it's a mirror. So I can check myself out, baby. Means check an eye at one time. Then my lip. Okay. Thank you. This is actually a really cute thing to keep in your bag. Not that I really check myself out ever because I'm not really fond of the mirror, but maybe you can, baby.
No, baby, I'm not that kind.
Baby, please, you love checking yourself out.
No.
Shut up.
No.
Okay, that's it. There is something on this which I have to open and... Dear Sanaya, thank you a lot. You are so well done. 1 second. Thank you a lot. You are so well done. You are fantastic actress, better than all Hollywood stars. फिर भी मुझे काम नहीं मिलता, फिर भी. Okay, your emotions which are transmitted to us are forced to cry and laugh at the same time. How sweet. I'd like to continue to see you on the screen for the time being in Russian on TV, only one series. It's Is Pyar Ko Kya Naam Do, but we are your fans, had long viewed all series with your participation with subtitles on the internet. You know what, maybe if you want to watch my shows, you all can get in touch with the channels. Does that happen? With the different channels and tell them to telecast the show in Russia or wherever you all are. I don't know how it works, but maybe you all can try. You're very cool. That's right. We love you. P.S. Don't be offended that we send you gifts because we can hardly see you in live. Oh. Okay, I'm not offended, guys. I don't feel offended, but I just feel that this could go to a needy person, and it'll make a big difference to somebody who needs it. That's all I feel. So if you all feel the same way, then do it. I wish you much happiness, mutual love and prosperity in career. Thank you. With love from Russia by Elena Konovalova. The wonderful actors game in show Is Pyar Ko Kya Naam Do, Rang Rasya. You showed us deep, beautiful, traditional India. Through your tremendous work, we, the audience in far Russia, fell in love with the Khushi, Paro, Myra, learnt about your beautiful traditional wedding rituals, Sangeet, Haldi, Mehendi, family values, and traditional celebrations in India. They're simply stunning, colourful, and bright, and very informative. That's nice that you all got to learn something about India and our culture. Accept my present not as a gift, as a part of our great and multifaceted country of Russia, as we accept your works as part of India. How sweet. Okay, so you all are just finding ways to give me gifts now. Okay, accept it like this, but not like this. Okay. This doll is made master's hand, especially by my order. Personally for you, it is dressed in traditional clothes in the Russian style. See the Russian hat. Yes. This furry hat. I know. Yes. This furry hat. I think this is very cool. Very, very cool. Where is it? Personally for you, it's dressed in traditional clothes in Russian style. I hope you will also interesting our deep history, culture and traditions of Russia. Sure. Congratulations on your award, Best Actress. Where? Who? When? Garv Indian TV Awards 2015. When did this happen? We are pleased that appreciated your... I never get Best Actress, and the one time I got it, I didn't even know. Also, with much love for you, will watch and vote in your new project Jhalak Dikhlaja 8. With hope, wait for your new works. Good luck and all the best. With great love and respect for your talent from far, far, but so close, Russia. Oh. Olga Gurkovaskaya. Olga, with love from Russia. How sweet. Thank you so much. I do accept your gifts as a way of your love and your work and your stuff from Russia. But remember what I said. Thank you guys. Really, really sweet. Your doll is really sweet. But I'm going to add, I'm going to add a nose and a mouth. I will. Okay. And we are officially done with the gift segment. Thank you so much for all the gifts, for all the sweet things that you all have said, all the love, all the good wishes for Mohit and me. Thank you so much. We love you.
These gifts have definitely left the couple too overwhelmed. Upasana Patel, cameraman Santosh, India Forums, Mumbai.
Hi, this is Sanaya Rani and you're watching India Forums. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel of India Forums.